Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with the Meech. I'm back with another video. And y'all, this is going to be a quick one. This is going to be a short one. I am so excited. This is going to be my unboxing of my Pat McGrath Decadence palette. I've been wanting this palette for so long, and I knew it was a limited edition, but she brought it back. Pat McGrath brought it back for Star Wars, you know, the Star Wars themed release where she brought it back and I was able to get it. So that is what's in this box. But before I open it, I do have the other two eyeshadow palettes, so I'm just going to show them to you really quick, and then we're going to unbox this together. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so she released a multitude of things. Of course, the only thing I cared about were the eyeshadow palette. So she released, let me calm down. As Candace would say, Candace Victoria would say. Okay, so she released 3 eyeshadow palettes, 2 6 pans, and then her regular full-size mothership palette. So the regular mothership size palette is a re-release of her Decadence palettes, and that's what we're going to get to next. But the first 2 are her Star Wars themed. One is called Dark Galaxy, and the other is called Galactic Gold. So Dark Galaxy and Galactic Gold. So let's take a look at them. These were limited editions, so you can't get them anymore, so sorry. But yeah, these are them. So hopefully if you wanted it, you were able to get your hands on them. Here is Dark Galaxy. And here it is swatched on my hand. Hopefully you can see it. My lights aren't too bright. So the second palette is Galactic Gold. And they all come with a little sleeve with their names on them. Here's Galactic Gold. And comparing the two. See if I can do this. And don't feel bad if you did not get these and you wanted it. From what I understand, a lot of these are repeat colors. So I think one of them has 2 repeat colors and the other one has 3 repeat colors. So, okay, but y'all, now it is time. It is time to unbox this bad boy. So yeah, you know, she always comes with, I really don't like this cassette tape stuff sticking out, but it always comes this messy. It's not even classy, actually. I don't know why they do this. I guess that's their take on the protective packaging. So let's get in here. So it does come with all that in there. And inside, wow, they really protected it. They have the Decadence palette in bubble wrap. So let's go ahead and get that out. So this is the packaging. It is Star Wars, which I don't really care. But you know the original one had that crown on it. It was just lovely. But this is the exact same palette. It's just the packaging is different. So let's do this. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's gold. The actual, I don't know if it was gold, but this is actually gold. Wow. I like this. And she has her little hieroglyphics on the front instead of the back. It's matte black on the back. Oh, she did change this up. This is very nice. Still that sturdy material. So I'm about to open it, y'all. Here we go. The first time. I've been wanting this so bad. These are beautiful, y'all. It is worth the wait. And I can see myself, because these are all metallics, okay? I can see myself using all of these, or maybe except one. Maybe except one, like all over my lid. One is a little bit out of my comfort zone, a lot of it out of my comfort zone. But I can see myself wearing these mugs, okay? I'm about to show y'all. I'm not gonna swatch these. I don't want to swatch these yet. I don't want to swatch these. But y'all, look. They're as beautiful as I imagined. And I can see myself wearing every color except this silver one right here. The silver, you know, that's a little too bold for me, but I will give it a try. Y'all, I'm so happy I got this. I was worried because I was like, oh, what if I'm underwhelmed when I finally have it? I am so happy I got this. So yay! I know today she came out, because today's January 2nd. She came out with her, the one for the Lunar New Year. I did buy that too. I did buy that. And I'll be doing another haul later. I don't know if you see that box back there. That is waiting on some few things. I'm going to do a haul. But y'all, I know y'all not going to believe me, but things going to be different this year. Because in 2019, I did cut back on shopping. I cut back a lot. But this year it's gonna be even more, because I got a vision and I got some goals of things I want to do. I'm still gonna buy stuff, but I got goals that I want to do, and I know I can use the money that I pay for makeup throughout the year to get them. So y'all stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for information on that. Stay tuned for a haul video. And I'm also going to start the year off with a collection video. So I'll be putting that out soon. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss an upload from me. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.